Just go more.
Yes, yes. So we go sweat, forget we daily pray. Mama's not go the shame. Say we go cool weekday. But gently now we all make we take 'em. Well body now we all make we take 'em. If you believe you go receive 'em. Say you go make 'em. Gently now we all make we take 'em. Well body now we all make we take 'em. If you believe you go receive 'em.
Yes. I want to say welcome to another edition of Entertainment Talk with me, King Milan. As usual, every Friday I can there and talk about entertainment, bringing different people and we get entertainment ideas and although they brainstorm, because Salone, we get a lot of talent there at the entertainment field, be it music, movie, acting, and any other thing else as well. So we get to make sure say we put them together and bring all the love, So I get somebody where I get for can talk to, and also not possible than why. But in the meantime, don't listen to anyone first.
Blessings will follow you, favor will follow you, and did you not go bother you? Say you go make them, good things will follow you, you kill and go better you, and nobody not go bother you.
Yes, nobody no go more than you at all. And I know say I can join Wahid, but Wahid, before I join you, I want to put the phone on landscape, the camera on landscape, so that I'll get full one. Yes, I see you right now, but put it on landscape and let me start for can talk business. One thing, the song we just don't play so we amen in one of the song we I love so much, and of course, they get a lot of people that will like them as well. And as I say again, T-Man Wahid, with we, and I go look for welcome right now to the program. Welcome and to the show, T-Man Wahid.
Thank you, King Milan. Whilst at the fete for puts the camera landscape, I still I will start.
You can just turn her no more, just turn her.
Okay, wait,
just
give me a
flip
second.
up. Just flip her over.
Okay.
As just go more.
Okay.
Yeah. Just flip her.
Please, give me 1 second. Let me
Okay.
just go back now. Me.
Okay. I'll give you 1 second and I'll play again the song way. Now a big song. And we'll go with this one, I'll give you a chance. Because they can't talk big talk anyway. Once again, Wahid is the main man, and later on, Egatin Shabage for join we.
Not go the shame, say we go cool weekday. But gently now we all make we take 'em. Well body now we all make we take 'em. If you believe you go receive 'em. Say you go make 'em. Gently now we all make we take 'em. Well body now we all make we take 'em. If you believe you go receive 'em. Say you go make 'em. Blessings will follow you, favor will follow you, and did you not go bother you? Say you go make 'em. Good things will follow you, you kill and go better you, and nobody not go bother you. Say you go make 'em. If you don't wait so say make them give you, be like a line, go tell before you make 'em. Cause matter man greed, man told him for himself, yeah. Even the party that fambule still and rich than self, yeah. Put you up to God, not the fact. Now you always they watch me back. Now they make a they dance and they lady that, and they daddy like that, yeah. Every day you don't fill up me back. That's just like a shower, you don't fill up me tank. Not only you, Papa, I say not only you, I just put it down, yeah. But gently now we all make we take 'em. Well body now we all make we take 'em.
Yes, indeed, Jensky. Now you make it take on well, but now we on as well. Look for take on and make sure so you believe in God Almighty. Anything can happen to you in our life, but as long as there's a God, and say as long as the God is shape, all man they get, So that yapo man and kidipa man get for season down. Well, once again, entertainment talk with me, King Milan. They're live on Facebook right now, and YouTube will get for Candy later. But on Facebook, we are live right now. If you're watching on Facebook right now, you get a chance, for send comment or wide or talk exactly what everything you want about this program. And I say again, I get my main man on the great guest show. T-Man Wide is on right now. Welcome.
Hey, thank you so much, King Milan, for having me. Did you get me right?
I get you clearly. Clearly.
All right. Thank you so much for having me. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Yeah.
Yes, and
It's
I'm
been
happy. I'm happy to be here.
it's been a while though.
Yes, yes, yes. You know, say me and you too.
I don't know that I lost my
Uh,
copy.
the America don't hold we don't they don't grip we on it.
But it better, we're doing what we're doing and make sure say we love what they do. And at the sweet they do so far, and you're doing great. Kudos to you and your wife and the kids them as well. Yeah. But
Thank you
let
so
us
much. My regards. My
yeah.
regards to you and yours as well.
Yeah, thank you so much, my brother. Well, let's start with this song for. So let's get more songs that we'll talk about. But let's start on this one here. This one a never ending song. Like when I can say, for example, Bob Marley. Me and you, young. Bob Marley don't do a lot of songs then way back in the 70s to the 80s. But then like today, even the Gen Zs and now they listen to Bob Marley songs then because in songs are not gonna expire in dates. So I take this songs called Amen and not gonna expire in dates. Some Simons get team for leg come on and say no tick not the go without a seed. Who side inspiration come on for the wonderful song like this one?
I'm gonna be honest. Give me 1 second. I close the door quick, yeah.
Okay. Well, that's Timan White. So when Timan White ready for talk, ready to talk big time. So he wants to start for talk about the song. I love the song, and I'm sure say people that love the song as well. So yes, Timan White, whose side this inspiration come on from?
Amen. Amen is a song where it's like a give back to God. If I'm being honest, King Milan, there was a time in my life where there have been several times in my life, but this particular time one I talk about, it was in Freetown, Sierra Leone.
Okay.
It was a very, very rough time for me. It was a period where I go through hardship, in a very, 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 very difficult way where it differ. Like I said, there have been so many hard times in my life, but this one different because this one, it got to a point where and not being able to be in control. It got to a point where I was kicked out of the house who I've been the rent.
Wow.
And I've been therefore brought up to a friend, And I remember there were so many things going on that was not right. And of course, what you do to person, it different. So I remember, but I was working on a lot of things. I was because me not to person where they sit down, me not to person with lazy, we careless. I always they work on so I always they make moves.
Okay.
So I remember I was working on a number of things that will not been they happen. Some are not go actually like give like a good description or names.
Okay.
Yes, but some were happening, but they were sidelining me. I remember there's a particular project when Amina been the headline and I will start fend funds, and then when it come, then pick other people, other artists there and stuff like that. So there was stuff happening, and then and in that moment I've been need those things to get out of the situation I've been in at that time. So I remember one night I get up at night and I pray. I remember I pray. And I make a promise to God. I say, God, if you take me out of this situation, I say the thing where you put inside me, when I'm music, I saw I could do a song where I would dedicate to you, wholly and solely to you.
Wow.
I say, if you take me out of the situation, I say I could do a song where I go give what you give to me, I go give them back to you. Okay. I remember me making that promise. Yes. So I've been actually, if I'm being honest, I don't actually forget about this. I got out of that situation. A number of projects came. I made a lot of money, and I rented my own apartment. I remember even this dude where I've been there to, instead of being there in a jam, I've been there in a position for help and big time because, like I said, I made a lot of money and I came out of that situation. So I was like balling, I was chilling, I enjoy myself now. I get friends then, they come around. Then tell them they are not married, it's maybe them, got with the Bibles, with the drink. So one day something just hits me from my back. He say, like I just catch up. He say, remember you will make a promise to God. Okay. Say you make a promise to God. Say if God pull you upon this situation, they say like now you don't come out there, you don't forget yourself. You drink, you enjoy yourself with your friends. Them yes. He say, but you make a promise to God. And King Miller, I'm telling you, when that reminder they come, it hits me. I'm not able to forget about that particular thing there for about 3 days. Now I know more than me 8. Yes, it even make I begin simmer down for begin for left. Boku thing them, I begin it changed that particular moment then in my life, it changed me. Now that I begin think say, hey, this Boku life I for left. You know, like I don't come out of the situation now. Like I want to go back to what I be used to. So it make I begin things say, I for change, I for stop drinking. Well, not totally, but even begin things say, what, this humanizing, I for start for think of getting married.
Wow.
That was a moment. That was a moment which changed my life.
Okay.
So I remember, and I start for fan beats them because I don't even get anything for sing about. So I begin for look for beats them. I remember I stumbled into one of some. I think it was a Nigerian song. Yes, we get these beats where I sample. We're not to the total. Me add me on this. Yeah, I take the beats now. I've been like the song. I take the beat. I don't forget the song, but it was a Nigerian song. I take the beats now. I begin try for put thing them, but God, just make. And then I was able to develop a story, and that is how I come about this song, Amen. And that was why one of the reasons we make us get so much attached to this song, because this song is a testimony of my life, And when I say if you get good people and all and fine, that was a period when I know what in now and they mean. Because King Milana, only when you hit with hardship, now you know that are your true friends them. And this was a period where make I begin for draw a line on a lot of people and say, no, these are not my friends, I begin for know myself. A lot of people where I don't sacrifice for give to, at that particular time when me back me there against the wall. King Milan, I can tell you for free, say there were only few people who came to my rescue. One of them being Kingfisher. Naime Kingfisher is not just my boss.
I know.
It's not just my boss. It's everything to me. I remember one day Kingfisher can meet me, and this person I've been got up to, and I've been Idris Apangi, late Idris Apangi.
Oh yeah, the late
yes,
man.
I've been got up to. May so rest in peace. I remember Kingfisher can meet me now the light one day. We can get a meeting there with me. Election be the Kanye. So Kingfisher can't tell me about this vote Salone. That was one of the monies that we. So there were people where they always don't did it for me. Kingfisher is one of them. And there are friends that like you, where I've always turned to. Yes, but trust me, this is not the moment we define my life. We make I able draw line from a lot of people. So this song, it means a lot to me. It gets a lot of things then we, anytime I listen to the song, it will tell me about that moment today. We make a change my lifestyle, my mentality. So you know what? I've able to identify people women better for me in life. I've able to identify people that we want me for go before. I've able to identify what me they do and what I know they do going forward in my life.
Okay, I love that. Nice, so a marathon answer. I like the way you speech about it. But the thing is, in terms of doing songs like this, just like I say, a song way a never ending song, a song we not get expiring dates. You can listen to them anytime because the message resonates to people. It happen to me. Oh, wait, you don't talk so. Few of them also church me as well. Few of them they happen to me as well, and it will happen to all other possible because they listen to you right now, they watch you right now. So it's a song where everybody want to watch and listen to and get message and feel free. By the way, during this song, I know say you go feel say yes indeed you try for console yourself. But me think say will get this nationwide or worldwide attention where people and they meet you and say kudos to you for what you've done.
Yes, when I start to write the song, this now a song I spend like 2 weeks in a studio. They go back and forth. Now Young Lee produce them, and then the Young Lee been they don't be bush. So I've been to go meet and they I spend like and a Sivo and I produced the video, by the way. I spend more than 2 weeks and they go back and forth with the song because like I say, I not been get a clear. I don't mean get not like a song we can fool to me. And I say I write I go start go record. And this now a reminder we come to me and I say, okay, I'm gonna do a song because I've been on promise God say I do this song. So I begin go back and forth, I get the beats, I get some of the lyrics, not all. So I was working at go to Young Lee, go do the beat, take some, come back for come write. But Milan, if I'm being honest, by the 10 where at the middle of the song, by the first week, everybody in the studio they tell me say na a hit. Everybody in the studio. And the way I present the song, I know say it is not my story anymore. When the song come on, I'm not going to own the story because the story now don't become a general story. So I try for making so much so that for touch people's lives, but I was telling my story. And one of the things that I can say now I'm proudly King Milan, the thing with God, anytime you make a promise to God and you fulfill them, God will bless you 10 times over for that.
Exactly.
Anytime you make a promise to God and you fulfill that promise, because of that, God will bless you for that. And God blessed this song. Like I say, Sivo came in. Then this Sivo was new. It was raw. He came in and did a good job with the video. And then of course I did the storyline because I made the direct me on videos. They do the storyline, do the directing, and it came out. It was a smashing hit. So
So
to God be the glory.
let's take you for more behind before even the amen. You did a song where I think it be J Bodyguard or the left bodyguard when I the team them. Take me through the team them. The song where now a song where itself na never ending song. You not do a video clip of
Yeah.
but I said time right now I'll go for company people get the feel of and say now the wonderful Wahid is way do that song. Take me through the team them. You even do this song, it make the song don't become you name now. Teen Man Wahid,
Yes.
the teen them. Take me through that song.
So I remember my very first album, Teen Then a Bodyguard Studio. I remember we be the record several songs because what we be do then in the because of course you know myself, Bright K, Emerson, Bone Dada, Shine the late Shine the Godson. What we be do then and they would record we album and then officially they can pick the songs then we in they put in a radio for promote. And officially they can pick the song then we would promote. So there were songs. I remember I have this song called Magic, When I Love Song, and then I get a couple of other songs that with me being sort of prefer, you know, we maybe say, okay, now me go push these ones. Team Them, if I'm being honest, was not amongst my list. I know it was a great song, but not been there amongst my list of songs that I want for promote. So Kingfisher came in because what we can do, we all can sit down, like I mentioned the names and a bodyguard. We always sit down, and that's what we do for everybody. Who want for pick your own music, we always sit down, we listen to your entire album, and then we tell you, say, Emerson, this na then song they are you promote. Bone Dada, na then song they are you promote. Shine the Godson, Wahid, the late Shine the Godson, may his soul rest in peace. So now so we do na bodyguard. We can get in Saturday sessions that we all man they sit down. You know, say Bright Kate, you know, you did na then song there. Yeah. So everybody pick. Teen Them was amongst those songs. Yeah, so then drop like one of the songs that we me being one because now 3 songs have been picked. So then drop one and pick Teen Them. Teen Them was a song where I get a passion for, but I never knew it was going to be this massive.
Why?
If I want to talk the truth.
Why? With all the effort, with all the blow mind where you did in that song, why not if you say you don't believe in your own song?
No, not that not the case. Not that not the case. Now because you see, then telling the King Milan, one thing I will tell you now, I say Kingdom defined me. It defined my career path, and I'm grateful for that. And I will be forever grateful to God for that song and to Fisher and the bodyguard team for insisting on that song. You know, it defined my career path. It shaped me. It molded me into waiting he wanted me and set a path for me. Because after Teen Them come out, my job now for create like-minded songs. Because now this they don't know me for, now this they want. In fact, they're not going to again. Self now. Then tia no more now why in a remote. So the fans then defined waiting me for do. And I'm grateful for the pathway I choose. But the reason why make a not being the expectant for Blue. Then telling them we were young and naive, if I can say that, Andy. And Bobo then King Milan then tell them they come up. You know, the song then we will the one for push, and then song they will bring baby then come, love song, you know, bring baby then, you know what's here the song.
Yeah, man.
So we been get songs there like that, like I remember my second album, The Bodyguard, I did Stand By Me. They stand by me able for make a hit because Stand By Me a beloved song, so I'll be able for like.
Stand By Me feature Raga Spice, right?
Raga Spice, yes. Yeah. Then 10 and then I mean second album Dandy. So this first album not in there. So then 10 and day, you know, you find out say. You know, people that would make love songs like then K-Man, you know, sending this CJ Mark, then they with Charles Ostrov.
Yeah.
You know, as young, you begin for things say now then teen and they waiting. You know. Now till we begin for break, Emerson begin for break, Bodyguard Studio will begin for break the ice with you know boss. You know, now we begin for coming with the message that will begin for change the scenario, begin for not to love song no more. you can do positive message. Bodyguard now will bring hand down on the ears. So then telling they will be young and naive. But Alex say, Lord, just do this kind song that we go make you get where you do the video, baby then go there around you. You know that kind of thing they will say 90 sell 9 people they want. You know. So but inside me, deep inside me, what happened to feel as against waiting we been feel say na marketable. Now team them. I've always been that kind of person with a message. Even when I write songs, when I don't blow it. Now then the people that know me for message and all that. You know, I remember me and Cool Donkey back in the days, you know, Body and Soul, X-Clan, you know, then in this. That then in this. But you know where you come up and say, you know what now this it just start like now when they tell them picking and say sex sells. You know, all my open shirts, by video, all my go topless. Yeah, and me now on the other hand, on the Like Minds Entertainment, we know the not to down route they will go. You know me say you know can do love song, but we try for teach young ones and say no, you don't need for go topless before you make them in music. We did it. Now we an example. So then telling that then we then they will be the feel King Milan. So then way people then sit down and say no, I will not say that they're not to the wire. And like I said, when team them, I know me expect. And I remember one DJ where I not go ever afraid for give credits to. Natamba B. I will always give him credit. Because even when we don't send the because we will be the good promo, then a Kingfisher been they call DJs them, then country Buju, Tamba B, different DJ then they in a Fisher been they give them be pay them. So Tamba B because me and bigger relationship, I been the text her saying I love you bad. There was one song I call Love You Bad. Baby, I love you bad and I want to make you sad. You know, I love that song. So Tamba B, now I been the text her, Tamba B, play Love You Bad, play Love You Bad. One day now Tamba B tell me, he says Sawaid. He said, I know why you confuse me. He said, not to love you bad. He said, nothing there. You know, Tambabi told me that. And, you know, I've been vexed for. I said, this guy, there was so no while they play Nip there. You know, but Tambabi told me. And I remember them, Foxy, the grandpapa.
Oh, yeah.
You know, King them become a national. Long story short, King Milan. King them become a national anthem.
A national anthem. But why you not decide for doing a video clip on this song?
Same for the same reason, like I say, Team Them video. I remember one time Alassane be almost signed me. The time we been get a
music maker, right?
Small, music makers. Yeah, so we been get because maybe the real old railway line by the mosque before the mosque. He get one shop by the side of the mosque now railway line. Yeah. So music makers now me so he signed me. Team Them the concept, the video for write the concept. Now always don't be the problem. How for shoot this video. I don't get two different school of thoughts. They would say, now this way, Lord, go do agriculture, we'll do this. Other people then come. There was always this argument. This song too broad. It's too broad. How for narrow and down and do a video. So I always say, you know what, in life and for slag will do this video. But me and my wife, just like what you say, so me and my wife will just talk. I they do you know, like a recording, the actual professional award day. Now I didn't think of I will call them before. I will say them before this program done. Yes. Now I do it economy. I don't do the video. I do the visualizer. Sorry, I will do a visualizer.
Visualizer.
Yes, I will do it. Yes, I will do a visualizer like in a studio. I get a proper recording if possible. I get like a live band, like a serious live play.
Okay.
Yes, either I do the playback. I'm thinking about it, but I want to do something.
Which is nice. And I want to say kudos. By the way, this program is live on Facebook right now. We got Christopher Cole. And watch Bidel is on. And Braike is on right now. He just called Braike. Braike is on right now.
Yeah. You know, say Braike inside the
say anytime we day. Anytime we day. Yeah, you. Braike. Anyways, I know it's a nice song. I think so we need to do justice to people there. Let me play the song, get a few message on them, or they deviate a little bit to come to something else. I know say you're always ready. Once again, I'm talking to the main man, Wahid Dumbuya, better known as Sir Wahid. I don't know that nights you, I know that nights you.
Well, you know, the thing with musicians, you get them one that they don't take the king You know, you
I
get
go
that one that we
piano.
don't say emperor. Yes, the king. Yes, exactly. You get that one that we not emperor. Because myself, I go ask you, but King Mila, who would argue the crown, bruh?
When you ready for host your program, call me. Now I'm in the interview. It's a long story.
Yeah.
I'm in the interview. Sawaid.
No, they go by rules. So basically, some man are the emperor, some man are this, some man are that, you know. So I just say, you know what? I don't want to go that route
Okay.
since we don't they graduate now, we don't they grow now
Yeah.
at the music industry. I think we've made contributions to a point where we've been knighted. We that kind of respect we get now in the industry.
Yeah, man.
So I mean, colleagues them all agree. Because otherwise, nobody know for they call me Sawahidi. Because even when I start to call myself Sa, yeah. So I don't want to go like the king, like the Caldinero, the king, King Milan. You know. So we said no. You know, we are the knights of Sierra music. So
I make working together. Now every squad and the who say get King Cardinal, King Milan, get Emperor, get Emperor, Emperors them as well.
Yeah.
So you get the Sa.
Yeah, we get Emperor then.
Wow.
Yeah, we get Sa.
And by the way, I think you know the only Sa now the Salone music industry. Who they get as Sa? A part of the Konoyon demo. That's what the Konoyon that they talk about.
No, me na SIR. Me na SIR.
Yeah, you know
me na the only Sa.
Okay, fine. So you're not the only one for now. They look for younger Sa for come on. But anyway, once again, this is an entertainment talk, and they talk to the great Sa Wahid, and you get the chance for comments on Facebook as well. It will be on
King
YouTube.
King Milan,
yeah.
make I give you this compliment. I don't know, because the last time maybe you talk, I don't know when you don't develop to this program where now video, so. But it's so clean.
Oh,
it's so
wow.
clean.
Thank
I
you.
want to give you that compliment because I see the way you even play with him.
Yeah.
Because I did a program there every day, like you.
No.
This now your area, bing for true, my brother. Now area, this it's so clean. It's so
Thank
clean.
you so much.
So
it's a pleasure, man.
I'm gonna be honest, but I'm not gonna lie by you.
Thank you.
It's clean.
I did do me small thing. When they come back and talk more, but we'll get the feel of the one and only song, Teen Them.
We country slow, we want for no. Why not they grow? Yeah, hey, we want for no, we want for no. Waiting make we country they go slow. Waiting making all they grow. Yes, so I can for sure. Yes, I can for sure them thing them way they make we know they grow. Say now we they die from. If I they try for go before. I beg, do ya not make us slow? No. If I try for raise the tempo, do ya not make them low? Yes, so if I try for go before, I beg, do ya not make us slow? No. If I try for raise the tempo, do ya not make them low? Yes, so before they do them thing now we go make we gladdy, thing now we go make we happy, thing now we go make we country laddie daddy. So we go live in unity. Yes, so before they do them thing now we go make we gladdy, thing now we go make we happy, thing now we go make we country laddie daddy. So we go live in harmony. Yes, so don't we for do them thing now we go make we smarter, thing now we go make we stronger, thing now we go make we nation last much longer. So we life them go better. Yes, so but we for left them thing now we go make we scatter, thing now we go bring palava, thing now we go make we nation well panambara. Make we people scatter.
Anything that you talk about, I like them.
Seeing them like half flavor plaba, political party wahala. Seeing them we go make we agba, them put we country pan yakba. Sing along, say hey bo, we want for no, we want for no. Waiting make we country they go slow, waiting making all they grow. Yes, so I can for sure. Yes, I can for sure them thing them way they make we know they grow. Say now we did that, yes, so make we show them thing them we go make we kick boom, thing them we go make we country go before. Mama, yes, so thing them we.
Yes, indeed. The thing the way they confuse me, man, you know, decide for put this together. Once again, it's entertainment talk right now, and they talk with the great Sir Wahid, the star where I get right now. Alosign Kabia, say Pastor Patrick, dance for Jesus. He said you're online. I answer respect to you, sir. Idrissa Boini himself is online right now. So just send your comment there. It's a live show right now on Facebook. So come on, send him more comment there. And they are the great man, the great Sir Wahid. Welcome again to the show. My main man, Sir Wahid. What's up, bro?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, King Milan. Thanks for having me. And
yeah. Thank you too. Anyway, you talk about the thing the way they confuse you so much. You be not satisfied? They be not correct here now. They're not correct. They're not correct.
Not even get me started, please. Don't even get
me started.
We
go small. We don't go for make them big. I just ask you. Would then think there? How many years you don't do this song, by the way?
This came out in 2006 because
2006.
I remember we in 2004 2004 now we get the Revolution, the Bodyguard Revolution chapter 1 album. We will all get song, and then it take 2 years. It's 2006 it take
and
2 years.
You then see how they disturb you never get answer to them.
You know, the sad reality is at some point we were taking a trajectory where Alex say we don't know what to do.
Okay.
We don't begin for understand putting at the thing we go make Salone people and better. We don't begin for then at the track we go make Salone people, you know, laddy daddy, like I say in the song.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden we just make it like an about stone, like a 360-degree, you know, backward in terms of every other thing, and some of the reasons that they get certain things them we make would say certain things them now also because at the end of the day it's not just every country. We'll talk about economic hardship. Every country they pass through even though it differ by you know, developed country, underdeveloped country, and developing countries. It's different, you know, based on that. But every country they get within in the pass through.
Okay.
When would they talk about anything there? Would they talk about the basic fundamental human right?
Okay.
You know, for let people and get, you know, one the waiting for just eat every day, that basic food. We need to talk about people being rich, because if you compare with mineral resources them in Sierra Leone to the way how they live as Sierra Leoneans, everybody go see the contrast. I don't need for even talking here because everybody know what you have to say, right? But if you do look at the basic fundamental human rights, you know, where you for eat, what you for get, side for lay you aid, you know.
So my question, Wahid, my question still to you. Yeah. My question still to you. In the song, you still start for them see how they make you for happy, not for struggle. Yeah. So my question, in fact, answer, you get them, you don't able get them?
In fact, now, like like I said, we don't get the answer, we don't go on that side. We dip and tiptoe the road. Then we don't get all this all of a sudden in this particular administrative, when at this power administrative, we get a 360 direct turnaround. So like it don't even go worse. So now we don't start the search all over again. You know.
Okay. In other words, you say the song may they get some dividend during the time when you do them, but of late it don't switch.
Yeah, from Pakaba days to the up to even to the Ernest Koroma administration.
Are you planning to do a remix
of Teen Them? Quite frankly, the answer is no. But I just get songs them we will always remind you of Teen Them. Song them we, because the issues around Teen Them pass up if put them in different style. But no matter how I do them, I get for be the same message, because the song and the message is still, in fact, now people they say that now the message see don't self pass ever will be ever done before.
Okay.
You know, so I know they plan for do remix, but they plan for do different songs, then we of course now it don't become the Wide brand now.
Okay,
so
now-
Tine, like I said, Tine don't ship.
You know,
It
social
paved the way.
You know, social
A
commentary
social
songs you're doing
commentator,
now.
a political commentator, an
Yeah.
activist.
Okay.
You call it,
So
call it
so
what you
you're
like.
comfortable with that? For begin doing
I'm very
songs
much.
like
That has always been. No. That was always been what I've doing. Like there's a song in me second album, which I stand by me, what I call this song. You
Okay.
know, this song. I said this song is not about politicians and music. You know, there was a whole like this is what I do. This is what I've been doing my whole life. Like the social commentary. One of the reasons we make. I love to promote peace, you know, peace, unity, and development.
Okay.
That's what I've been doing. Because when you go outside of my music, you know, already with the Artists for Peace project, you know what we'll be do there, and to several projects them with different like if you go to Save the Children, I mean a women and children ambassador, I mean a child champion for UNICEF, you know, I do justice with ASJP, like different people and what they work with, you know, on different developmental issues, whether now women and children issues, whether na peace building with as we do with UNDP, but it is even ECSL on elections, you know, promotion. So that has been my area, my core area. You know, it's not just singing, but actually doing it as a person.
Okay.
You know, touring the country, preaching peace, and sensitizing people about different things, you know, of development in the country.
I hope say you know find a time when you go bend. Where you don't take this stance, so it never ending, right? You know, go bend one day and say, okay, I time for sing this song here now. That concentrate and do other songs now. You go focus on singing social commentary songs.
So this is the mistake people make. Like for instance, after now, let's just give a rundown of what people for expect before the end of this year.
Okay.
Now, so my next song where they come out, I call it Mr. Selfie. It's a social commentary song where they touch on just integrity, how integrity, if you go and check now a nation, it can derail a nation. And now also selfishness, don't they eat the fiber of we nations really.
Okay.
You know, because now based on selfishness, now I make people and they bring all these divisive skills for divide people there, just for let them benefit for their own selfish interest.
Okay.
So, but Mr. Selfie is a social commentary song. We go come out. I mean, next song we go come after that one day. It's also a social commentary song where I call Set Up.
Okay.
Set Up is a social commentary song that has nothing to do with politics. Like I say, Mr. Selfie get for do with politics. It's a social commentary with not a political commentary, a social commentary where they address integrity and selfishness.
Okay.
But set up not get nothing for do with governance issue. It's purely social commentary.
So what?
And my next song where they come
okay.
after that, Baby Love. It's a love song. Now they close the year with December.
Wow.
So it no mean say when they do a social commentary song and not go do love songs.
Okay.
So don't let people not get that twisted. I can come in between anything and come with different songs, but it just means say wherever there is gap, I will speak up. Me and one person we go always speak up.
So let's ask the question again in another way. Let you understand now. I love the answer where you give me. But what I'm saying. It doesn't mean say now only for this government they sing the social commentary song. Even if any other government can, when not they do right, why it is there for pour out in words them and make people aware and say something is wrong. You said for that, you know, chaos government where they right.
Okay, so Kimila, let me ask you a question quickly.
Do it fast.
So when Teen Them come out, Teen Them come out, it was not for a particular government. It was for successive governments. Because I remember I pulled Teen Them during Pakaba in 10.
Yeah.
But Teen Them play and the same message was being able to pass during an Escomine period.
Yeah.
So any artist, I'm gonna say this as a professional artist, we don't take for long, and this now perhaps for the younger ones, they would listen. Any artist way now for one regime, or now for one sect of the society, or now for one set of people, you know the last. Because music goes beyond anybody can sing himself. now the message and take the message. So definitely, politically speaking, if you listen me last series what I don't know if you follow this me series what I can do so I in my civic space.
Yeah, we'll talk on that self.
Yes, no, I bring this up because this pertaining to the question what you asked me.
Yeah.
So if you listen to the credibility code, you find out say one of the people that were attacked specifically on credibility code, the opposition, because we saw how they vote when it comes to the Lara Taylor Pierce issues. We know say about 7 of them were compromised, and we know say they were bribed, and they not go represent the people. And because the people of Sierra Leone not feel say Lara Taylor Pierce do anything wrong, they call out the president pan corruption and forgery. And because of that, the president take offense and they move for fire. We did not get right for fire an auditor, pass and get for going to parliament. And parliament, even though the opposition gets a less number, they're not able to take a decision because for like get that 2/3 majority, you need up to 99, up to 100 people them na parliament. Now the opposition, the incumbent SLPP not get her. Even with the entire paramount chief, they still need about 4 votes from the opposition. Okay, we know say two people inside the parliament from the opposition is already compromised. When Mohamed Bangura and Thompson. So if APC not been given that 2, wait between me and you two, I will tell you say they give them up to 7 votes. You know, if they're not being selfishly compromised inside that parliament, the Lara Tilopias would have still been doing the good work where we do, we pull the president in waiting self now do.
Okay.
So similarly, on this amendment bill would get so. I was going after the opposition, say we hope say una number of votes like how una vote pan Lara Telopias. So then they automatically tell you say people them go interpret things the how they want for interpret them because it favor them because it not favor them now.
Okay.
But my job is not to look out for any political party. My job is to look out for the people of Sierra Leone.
Okay, I like that. Nice one, smart guy. Kudos to you, my bro. I think I forgive you some sound effects here for sure. Says you've done well. Anyway, once again, it's Entertainment Talk live on Facebook, and I talk to Sir Wahid. And we don't join us. Well, we get Egatin Shaba. Egatin Shaba, we know say yesterday we get an award show for take place tomorrow, and Egatin Shaba is right with us, you know. And I go look for welcome him in, man. Welcome, Egatin Shaba, to the show.
Thank you very much, Kimilan. Thank you.
Yeah, everything, my bro. So every day, we use traffic be only so. Let's start from there.
Well, not to traffic anyway. I'm just busy to stop them. You know,
okay.
Tomorrow is then, so yeah, I got to do a couple of stuff them, and we'll just receive second batch of equipment that we just arrived.
Wow.
So I'm just need to type of put things in place, you know what I mean?
Okay. So things begin with appetite first bar. You know, I know say this a rundown. So what's in in place now? How this set up done there now for tomorrow?
Production equipment all sets. We get the latest equipment that we get for use. The video wall is customized,
okay,
for Salone Music Awards. The lighting system is customized for Salone Music Awards. So when it comes to the production equipment, we're good to go. We get all the performances then. The all lineup for tomorrow, including Sawa, you're gonna be on the stage tomorrow. I just updates. I don't know if you get that video, you go play them. I just updates people about how the voting go.
Yeah.
And the award that we are left to the people for do the engraving.
Okay.
So, but for now, so good. They're on top of situation, security. They're on top of situation. People are calling for tickets. And with the urge Salonians them as well for make them turn out or come tomorrow because this is a Grammy award. Salone Grammy.
Salone Grammy. And talking about the Salone Grammy, a lot of people they think, I guess people wait, you don't nominate already in this program, where they talk say they don't even understand, you know, because they need a tongue, and they're not get possible for receive them, so how they go know say they don't win. I don't send messages them say yes. I know say I know say I know this about this program. Wait una go do now, just wait. But again from the horse's mouth, now you organize the program. Waiting people have for do. How them for wait, for letting them know say yes indeed. They are don't know they presently, but they get for know who than win. Because I don't know if you get for sure alive.
Well, first, not to one organize the program. We have a team. We organize it, puts everything together, organizes events. For the one that we did Sierra Leone, immediately after the end of the event, we go get a list of all the winners, then we will send them to them. And also we'll take a picture of the award for UAE. For an example, if they came in with Sierra Leone, you have to give Kim Milan the award to give you. We will give Kim Milan the award for Kim Milan will give. For Kim Milan will give the award.
Okay.
But after the events, we go notify them and tell them, say, these are the winners and this. Then if they inside one of the if you are a winner, tell who that's from. I don't give you an award for making you win or any sort of idea.
Okay. Wahid, somebody been concerned about you being a performer as well. So they think as well, say you're not nominee. If you've been nominated and you're not part of the program, you go perform back. So the person is somehow confused a little bit. So are you standing on this award show? What you do so far?
So I'm not nominated this year, and I proudly, let me say proudly, I'm one of the recipients of the awards. Last year, I won Best Video for the song Exile, and this year I am not part of the nominees in this award, but I'm also proud for say I'm one of the proud performers. We go perform for the night, and I think if anybody can able to talk about authenticity of this program, the authenticity of the award itself,
yeah.
One of them person and they will be me, because I hold one as we speak. Then I'm a pala, I watch them every day, and I know the guarantee, the award itself. Because the thing is, when you present an award, there is a lot of emphasis really be placed on the award itself. Because now award ceremony, don't forget. So if the award light, if you fake, if feel like say you did now one time cloud nine,
you deserve
then wahala. No, Lord left the deserve first. Of course, you get for be the deserve now the credible part, where I believe say it's a credible thing. I mean, last year we get one or two things, then we'll correct this year. Not much, like you say, everything, there's room for improvement for anything. We believe say this year I got for be airtight, watertight, because we don't learn from our mistakes than last year. So then when they talk about the credibility, they talk about the fancy, the authenticity, the beauty of the award itself. And trust me, so I think when they call upon me for go perform, it's an honor for me, because I know the caliber of event who the go par. Because like I said, I'm one of the recipients there last year.
Who's song where they go do so?
I'm one surprised with the people that let them go there. Yes.
Talking about performance,
let everybody go there.
Okay.
Yes, a lot of people turn up.
I love that. Here. Talking about performance, Shaba, who that they don't really day on. Yes, indeed, this is not a must. These people are gonna perform. Who are the artists here?
Okay, before I come to for name the list of the artists that are going to perform, the award we get last year, where one of them we saw wide win. Now we don't upgrade it.
Okay.
Now we get the latest one.
Okay.
I went to direct inside the factory, said it make awarded.
Okay.
So they put all the award and they say which you want, we can customize that for you. So I choose another one. So the one we get last year and this one this year is quite different. And this one will give so this year. Now E will get for continue. Then they get for B the signature of Salone Music Award.
Wow.
Just because why get BT gets Grammy one award they use.
Wow.
So now this for the continue for example, but it's customized. You will not see and no award. We don't check other awards already organized, other African countries that awards already do. When we see that, we check. We want not to be compared with Christian.
In other words, don't go customize now for the layman. This award was designed purposely for you. You know, somebody sit down a drum, then design and well, then bill and now. Nobody else ever get this one. It's now only Salone Music Awards you own design this. Nobody never gets them, right?
I make us say customize.
Now say now make us go come. No scatter for the layman.
And don't back. Don't back. The equipment will go for use back. If you go King Miller, you go for good see.
Okay.
For anyone you see signature of Salone Music Award. Anyone where you see. Okay. And the quality and the other way they make it quite different. It just like almost say, I'm gonna shop around this thing and it's okay, well, I want to make una umbrella for me. You got to pay extra.
Yeah.
We did do this for make other nationalities there made no sense. Who said we can do this?
Yeah.
I get Liberians the way they call me. Cameroonians they call me them. They don't buy ticket. They can't be award. They want for can see.
They want can see style. They want can see small style, right?
Waiting Salone people are what we can do. Now when it comes to the performances, we get Stickman International, we get Kobe the teacher, Double C, Kali. We get a legendary artist where they come out all the way from Canada to perform in a big show.
Okay.
We get Sawaid, Daddy Sarge, and all the recipients them, where the artists them, where they receive that award, they will perform.
Okay, by the way, we're online right now on Facebook, and Bright K, the watch, is a kudos to you, Egatin. It's a keep it up, Egatin Shaba from Bright K. And I think I got a lot of people that we really wish. But however it be, Shaba, not in other way, not get grumble. I know say last year the experience was there. You give award, show people and grumble. This year as well, I know say grumble go day, but what's like the average of grumble if you say go day? Those great and bad.
Maybe 3%.
Okay. I don't try.
Kimila, I will be very, very honest with you, right? We work hard for this award.
Okay.
We very transparent. We not the go give award to person because of we party.
Okay.
You understand? We strongly believe saying if you work hard, they vote for you. You make time, you deserve them.
Okay.
But no award not being in the world way after the event, you not get negativity. It must happen. And from that negativity, we learn from everybody. Me and the listening, the watch comments them. But I'm not the response to nobody on Twitter media. But at the listening, at the watch.
Okay.
I don't say yes. Then thing I would do, not in the way you expect backlash at the end of the event.
Okay.
So we expect that. But from our past experience, what we learn, we don't correct a couple of things then.
Okay.
For the future.
Well, with it come again, it's about you get something we be saying. We're saying updates on this award show. I tell you play them and they come back again because why it gets other things for we can talk a little bit about in program and it get a few songs that we'll talk about. And you as well, Shaba, want to talk exactly when it starts the show tomorrow, when it end, if it will be the Black Man time. Anyway, but in the meantime right now, we'll go with this one.
Fambulem Unadu Mina Egatin Shaba at the talk on behalf of the Salone Music Awards. The voting will not end. After the voting end, the people are very responsible for the website. They don't put all the numbers together, 50% public voting and 50% executive voting. After that, then send all the results to the people away to do the engraving. The people where they do the engraving, then request for the awards there. We don't left the awards to them for make them do the engraving, put all the names there, the winners them at the award. The awards them customize awards them from the factory where we self go customize the awards them. I can show now one part of the awards them. When I see this now customized awards, one for make other nationalities them where they no sales we Salonians, we can do this. Even the production equipment they will go for use tomorrow, Saturday, August 8th, now the Hampton Conference Center, them production equipment and they're all customized. On behalf of the Salone Music Awards, we congratulate all the nominees them. We want for telling thank you for your contribution. And also, if you're not a winner, we want for congratulate you. Even if you don't win, you're not a winner because we acknowledge which thing you did do. Tomorrow, the tickets now $100, and also we get VIP winner $150. We get recipients them. We get for receive award legends. We get for receive award and lifetime achievements award. They all get for perform tomorrow, Saturday, August 8th, at the Hampton Conference Center in Maryland. We encourage all Salonians for making can support this movement. This na Salone business, and this na we own Salone Grammy. This. If you want tickets, you can go na Eventbrite, and also you can check the flyers there for the numbers and when I can call the number and because right now the ticket they go fast. So tomorrow, Saturday, August 8th, at the Hampton Conference Center in Maryland. All roads lead to Salone Music Awards. Mina Egatishaba, want to tell all Salonians them, say this now we own Grammy this, make you come out and support Salone Entertainment, make you come out and support Salone Music Awards. We want for make you know say we will very, very transparent. We want to encourage all entertainers them for make them do more. Tomorrow, 8 p.m., now the show starts. A lot of performances in for tomorrow. Let we can enjoy. Food and drinks unlimited. You go eat and drink till you tire. Tomorrow, Saturday, August 8th, Hampton Conference Center in Maryland. Thank you very much.
Well, the eat and drink center on side of man neglect. Well, I'll go for cancel you Wahid, but I'll go over to Shaba quick because this program you very, very, very serious. Man, Shaba, this program you don't talk about the timing, the performances as well. By the way, when it starts, at what time, and at what time you feel safe for end?
Well, we get the venue for start from 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
From 8 o'clock to 3 a.m. Okay. So we urge people then for come when it starts 8 o'clock. We're going to come early, like it's a long time, but this is an award. That's what I dignitaries that we invite. We have to start early because it's 20 categories. And we get a lot of performances. So we urge Salonians then for me to turn up early, make them come and can support this movement.
Okay, a lot of performances. That's something we get into over the shows. They are not say why they are seen opposite way. When they perform your way. But the last show, the performance was not really tidy. That will make them public, you know. Because you get some money say pop pass. Una gap, una can dance now. Una gap, una can dance away. Are we gonna see the same one or go for see decency? You then you stage you perform. If it's having people enjoy you now, fine. But people see you but not for come. Can't crowd near me. Can't dance with me. Now that's what we go see this time around. Shaba.
Well, I think so we don't. Well, Kimberland sometimes I think they can go in with their emotion.
This is not what this is that show that they do now. This is not what show. Big people.
Yeah, you know, sometimes it happen. Sometimes it happen, but we don't tell everybody to perform. Everybody go upstage to perform. Everybody go upstage. Upstage you go perform.
Yeah, if I know say yes, an artist go there, go let the fans them joke. You know, one time maybe work go out. But what they pay me when they say an award show? This is not a show where they do one small conference hall or maybe the big stage where you go meet the fans. But this is an award show where you just can't for guys entertain people no more. But you got a lot of people that are likely seeing a big man in there around. They all just people sit down, they enjoy, they perform. So perform at the stage. Rather than you force big man on a grab. And I not grab like the last time. Waiting pay me the last one. I don't call the artist name. But if I not grab, I dance so. I don't need to grab. And these are big people. Why? Come down about you know artist. You gonna do that?
You know, one of the reasons makes like some of them are useful in the industry, especially you King Milan, because once people know you for 9 months, they say that for a month. You know what I mean?
I say it. But
that is why we're in the industry. That's how we go wrong, even on stage, we're not correct. Because this thing that we all make, and the artists they can't do it alone. We need the presenters, we need the promoters, we need the DJs, we need, you know. So we all now we do this together. So you see some make mistake, like you call out. So I believe say like I say don't correct them parts and they and you don't call out. A lot of people listening now, you know, nobody going forward. All man, no people will be fortunate for listening to this one. We don't correct, we don't make that mistake. But like we got in Shabba say there are times that the way artists can go overboard based on emotions, but we get for no waiting. You know, I always say even dressing, you get for dress to occasion.
Exactly.
You know, you get certain side where you go, you get certain thing where you wear, you get certain thing you don't wear. You know, so even programs and they get what they call for, and get what they don't call for. You know, so but the communication important. Because sometimes I got in Shabba, you assume say, oh, this is an artist, no left them. But it's always good for communicate. Say this is not the expectation. Don't not go overboard. So before you say you don't communicate, I just say we know better problem. If you better say 90%.
I love that. I say you have for a month. And every time I'm
a big man. Last big man for this. But not the time. Not to fit away.
I don't mean what I'm saying. I just want to get to that because you're paying me. Some guys agree. Artist emotion today. You get some time they play song, we play one dance so they let the song. Yeah, you want to can go with you. You even go down the stage and go get around you. You get some shows the way you can do that. But this is not what show. Not credible show. Big people them. What's painful outside? Big man, maybe a doctor. That man just go with you. Just coat. Just go sit down with you, man. You force I say grab. Grab can that grab.
Una we mirror then. Una they look and say no, this fine. It's not fine. the salon industry they go before, and that is one of the reasons we go out of these awards.
Yeah.
Because award na something when me and Shaba talk, and I say award na something we don't come a long time in this industry. So we go welcome one with class and this kind of style.
Well, this one
so like we say now, we all now we mirror them. Who side presenters they go wrong? Who the artists they can talk? Who side artists they go wrong? Who the promoters they can talk? So now so we take correct and take go before now. So to the international level, we don't clean all the dirty.
No,
take the package.
agree. This one, all said and done, I respect the way Shaba they take out, and it's the way they go right now, and the way one of the people are aware of and I like the way they name and say the BET of Salone. I like the way the Grammy of Salone. So in other words, we don't get a lot of awards them as well, and Shaba musical awards them. So it's different. Where for the Grammy?
The award itself.
The award alone.
It alone is different because it's customized.
What about the structure, everything now? Added to it now.
No, the first people that we are working with now.
Okay.
So award is a trophy, and some award is a trophy, and we don't give trophy. That's the problem. This is an award. It's an entertainment award. People like to say, you begin and say, for begin and will say, oh, me daddy or me auntie or me sister, it is that.
No, Shaba, you're right. I think another open with was a winner recipient and the kind award. And now you even say you don't upgrade them. So
that's true.
You're right.
Why? You get this song called Walkman, eh?
Yes, Walkman.
Tell me something about this Walkman. What's Walkman needs to talk about?
So Walkman is a political commentary song. We basically look beyond beyond the incumbent political party in Salone right now. Walkman they go as far as to every flag bearers them they run for become president of Salone.
Okay.
Not just for these elections but forever. Because maybe your song they stand the test of time.
Yeah.
One of the things that we Walkman they seek for doing for educate Salonians then how we forgo about for elect people the way we can lead. We don't make a lot of mistakes in the past. So now we for purely pick Walkman person way in all intention of can work and better and make we develop. So basically not to talk man, not to that like we can make fine manifesto and this that not to done the day we need. So we start to highlight waiting for look for. And Walkman is a song we are for build on going forward.
Okay.
Not to just on song but for talk, for continue for educate and sensitize people and say waiting are the things that we for look for. Of course these are things that we don't see times that number. We don't for go by tribal sentiment or regional or border and border this, we for basically able for look for possible say this and then people and we for see the evidence of what they don't do, the hats we then get for development, how they don't and now so we for go about for people who for lead. I don't care if you know border for coming at the same time. Party belong. If I don't feel say this person get the heart, like King Milan, there are people who can the entertainment industry, there are people in this industry, the entertainment industry. We didn't say Wahid. If you put them people there before, let's say we get an opportunity now. We see them people. Me, I go for pick you King Milan. I go for pick Shaba. You know why? Because I remember when Shaba the Thomas Street. So for entertainment, Thomas Street means Shaba. We did together before TNT sets come. We not contribution. We don't make. TNT they book fish hotel musical competition. Now this that in Shaba. Now people they sabi that in Shaba. So now make some of you for vouch for them because we know side they don't come out and almost don't invest. Like you King Milan, me I know you for being a musician to presenter for a broadcaster and SBS radio to TV. So what you don't graduate to an industry. So if you ask me about people who get the hearts for Munafa and better the industry, some of them are workman in this industry. So similarly, we not to you they can talk about who can speak about who English, but we follow can give you power for can't free and treat you like our mother build they treat people in the country.
But what?
Now people will not see get the heart.
But funnily, Wahid, you they say what you they say so because you just want for say which is somehow true. But majority of the people, not to this the YREO, they like somebody will get sweet mouth. They say this is a bit talk. So possibly they can't talk to the way they convince the way they life
some of them cultures them they
Milan,
but me and you two know say that will not move away from them culture they.
Of course, yeah.
Salone not the better.
Yeah.
And now we responsibility, we don't see wood. Like we can say we don't see wood. If we don't help them people and then that village, bien Blama, bien Kabbalah, bien Nando Pulong, if we not help them for understand one or two things, King Milan, we are done for another country day. Because I'm telling you, APC they can't power back. Now the same go to attack back than they carry it.
No,
except people continue in a power now the same go to attack back.
We not get people hate, we get it mind like how many you get so. We get direct mandate. So, I can always talk now direct mandate we get. But
so that we open people their eye. Maybe we'll begin for calling the man and maybe the real people and go say okay that no make sense now we come forward.
At direct mandate we get so. Anyway,
until we pull the dirty now people and make them see clear. Trust me, we will make the same problem over and over.
Well, let's listen to the song Walkman. They count to the last segment now after this song and round up. But in the meantime, right now, let's listen to the Like Minds Entertainment Forward Thinking. Big time with Walkman.
Thank you, sir.
We disappointed in Boku, young man. No, we don't want bluff, man. We tired with the English pan them book, man. No, we don't want fuck, man. Would that we want for lead, we now work, man, yeah. Would that we need right now work, man. Anyone we go lead, we now for the work, man, yeah. Would that we need right now work, man. The workman definition, person where they work on a mission. For help the people see the vision. Unite we and pull with pan division. Not to where they say election, then you gonna tell like vision. The workman definition, person where they work on a mission. For help the people see the vision. Unite we and pull with pan division. Not to where they say election, then you gonna tell like vision. The right people and we go lead. We no set the standard now when they need we. We go get people back, we go come mislead we. See now how we right continue for bleed we. Sufferation like wall, then go just the drill we. Tax pan tap tax, then go just the bill we. Who that we go call, they go come for heal we. But we from take them kill and make we see. This mistake, yo, we don't make them. For make sure say we no repeat them. No wait we want, make we not pretend lick them. If I'm no me say where you poo we go eat them. This mistake, yo, we don't make them. For make sure say we no repeat them. No wait we want, make we not pretend lick them. We brother no me say where you butter we go take them. We disappointed in Boku, young man. No, we don't want bluff man. We tired with the English pan them book man. No, we don't want fuck man. Without we want for lead, we now work man, yeah. Without we need right now work man. Anyone we go lead, we now for the work man, yeah. Without we need right now work man. The work man definition, person where they work on a mission. For help the people see the vision. Unite we and pull we pan division. Lot of way they say election, then you gonna tell I vision. The work man definition, person where they work on a mission. For help the people see the vision. Unite we and pull we pan division. Lot of way they say.
Yes, Workman, nice one. Let me give it.
Nice one.
It's a nice song. One part where I catch in that song, and always I listen to that. It doesn't come in mind, you know. It I dey feel. I disappointed up to young man them.
Disappointed
because I'm very disappointed of the young man.
Because at some point now we back begin the advocacy. I remember we begin advocacy for women.
Yeah.
The advocacy for women, the 30% quota, it don't they pay off because when they see women them, then they make some difference. If we want to talk to two women and they make some changes and difference.
Yeah.
Then we begin advocate for young people, say young people in governance. And no matter what you say about Mother Bill, we go give that one day to him. He choose a lot of young people in government. He choose a lot of young people. Then they we go give that one day.
Yeah.
You know? But we are disappointed. We are the same young people who we say now we all know how we suffer, now we know the issues them. So bluff, big talk, lies, fake, all we are disappointed.
Shaba, you're not a politician. I know say you don't deviate from that in the entertainment, but let's bring you into this one.
I'm not.
I know. But let's bring you.
It's just a time. I just want to stay away from politics for now.
Okay.
For some reason.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. But
when time permits me,
you will go back.
For come back, I will come back because I'm still an activist.
Okay, fine. Well,
that's for sure.
While I was asking about concerning this award still, I know say we got a lot of type of music there, man. This now award show, you get categories there. You know, why I not see social commentators songs, social commentary song like category? We got a lot of them. We get them both artists that they don't do recently. Nice one. Kenny artists that we don't do their own. We get some free to already do social commentary songs there. Why the song also a social commentary song? Why you not put a category in your award show for social commentary?
Give me land.
Yeah, sir.
If they put all in category, they will not go come on. We'll not go come on that only.
This one a hot category, yo.
Well, if you say hot category, all the categories are all out. What about the reggae category?
I know, but time like this, social commentary songs there. Yeah.
So like every year we upgrade, right?
Okay.
Every year we upgrade. It's not to say just one stop. Next year we get other categories. We shuffle. Or next year, some categories that they will take out. Then we will bring some other categories inside. Like last year, we don't get culture song category. In fact, she was the first person we come up with that one.
Yeah.
You understand? So next year we'll get other categories and also where we go bring not only in music. We get other areas them we
deserve an award.
And they deserve a nomination.
Okay.
They deserve a category.
If I can say Shaba.
Yeah.
We're not a tailor. I'm not part of the awards, but I talk general entertainment. We're not a tailor awards for meet certain people their own comfort.
Exactly.
You know, I know saying a social commentator, but if myself begin see award, they go that way. They myself go doubt the award. You know, award now the demand.
Yeah.
When the demand day, trust me, King Milan, then turn in the way Julius Spencer then bring social commentary. you're not able because the social commentary songs that will be they come out then and you're not able for create
serious, man.
an award. Yes.
Very serious.
So
yeah.
for
Of
now,
course,
the industry moves.
at that time,
I'm saying now,
yeah.
now you are the support, Egatin Shaba.
Yeah.
This statement now for you.
Go on.
Yes, now you are the back. I say
Yeah.
this for support you.
Yeah.
Then 10 and then you're not able for dodge because the force. But the industry move when Nigerian music then come, the music shifts. It go to different, you know, to sound, to beat, you know. It go to so we Sierra Leoneans then we don't maintain. A lot of people flip flop around now. Some of we now they feel the way consistently they do social commentary and waiting self song then.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, you find out say now only if that it pick music then pick up from that side and then people like Shabana they will say okay, oh, this thing, you know, we can't dodge them, you know, but the demand is not that there, you know. Them but then they quite frankly Kenema and boys, they're nice, they're doing great songs. Me they follow them because me, of course, I'm the leader of that trend. But they are still young, they're up and coming, you know, they not reach that period date for like kind of say music award, if I'm being honest.
Now I'm talking about the category. Like I just give example to
that's
them.
What I'm saying. When the demand day, demand day, the category would be created. Then we'll create the category when the demand day. You know, even Exile, when a social political commentary, you find out saying that on best video, now it come, now it win, not on the commenting itself. So when the demand day King Milan, and Mrs. F no one for see that kind of award day, they go make category number for suit certain people.
Oh yeah,
you understand?
Yeah.
When the demand is there, King Milan, nobody know they tell you, they know. When the demand is there, you would know.
Yeah, but talking about demand, you know, if you say now people want to listen to more social commentary songs, Wahid.
Yeah. I mean, like I say, more awards, more categories will be created.
During election time, many they come out.
Okay. Now, Shaba.
Yes.
Shaba, this award show, by the grace of God, tomorrow, time like this tomorrow, people they gather now, they go they ready for run for go na that place for go storm day. It go done peacefully. That's sure. I'll definitely agree with that. How next year you? This one not done it, but I think of next year you now. Because they're about to round up. Now make I ask you this one.
But Kim, like, you go pray for so make for get long line to everybody for next year.
I got in power, by the grace of God. I make I say by God in power, yeah.
Let witness tomorrow.
That's why I say I don't say tomorrow I done, and it happen by the grace of God.
We say every year we upgrade.
Okay. Any plan there, I know say we don't get restriction right now for Salone artists and for Cam, but to gather pattern and the world with Salone artists and they excel. Are you thinking of by like next year so for invite some of those artists, even they're not even dinner the awards say, but for Cam performing up skin with the Wahid within America and then see what they do?
This year I'm supposed to get 3 female artists them for Cam. DJ Lulu, Vida, and BTS. But because of they carry Sierra Leone passport, so they're not able for require visa for come in America. Wow. So if they lift the ban, this guy if they lift the ban, definitely I will be in America for come witness the award and also perform and the award next year.
Okay. Yeah. Today about for round up and Mira, I hear Mira in voice at the other end. Hi to you, my Mira.
What are you looking for?
The
same way they work now, you make this now. I don't want to get off.
I got for bring you on. No, I got for bring you on, boy. You know, say make a special talk.
No, in fact, no. Milan.
Yes.
This man a politician right now. Now one deep politician.
Okay, why? Miga, go.
Miga, the English, the terms that we in the list of social media. I'm trying to call
you. I'm bloody politicians. So they go.
No, you have to. I like that.
Thank you so much, Miga. You're doing fine.
Aggressive. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
God bless. That's why it would have for round up now. This you label where you get the like minds. Is still they gone?
Sure.
How
I
many
still
artists
get
they
Danny
get now?
C. I get Danny C from Bo. I
Okay.
get Danny C from Bo. And right now, I think that the most active signing that they will get right now, Danny
Okay.
C, just because I know the Salone and monitoring and other stuff there. But apart from musicians, them I get my whole team. You know, I get me bloggers, I get videographers. I got my whole team. They together we operate,
Okay.
and then like minds expand beyond music. Like minds it go into activism, and go into different things and what they do. And I get my
Okay.
whole team,
Okay.
we work together and we put. There's nothing what they do. Even some of them, like when you look at my civic space, some of them civic job, then their civic duty, then they what they do. I have a
Okay.
team who they look at them,
Well,
because at
you
the
don't
end
talk
of the
about her
day,
now. I'll ask you tell one for say about her now. What are the aims and
go ahead.
objective? The aims and objective of that civic space day. What you really try for achieve?
All right. So basically, when it comes to good governance, Sierra Leoneans them we don't really know what in we write. We don't even know what in blunt we don't
Okay.
even know what in and then they take a lot of advantage from the people of Sierra Leone,
Okay.
politicians. Like I say, the only time where they know the people now when then they can talk to them for let them vote for them. And then even down them they use the people like that. But now waiting and they try for do now for making so much so that they're not even going to cancel the people again. So some of the laws then now when they go around for pass. Now one way they take the power from the people when it come to elections, they don't even need the people again because they don't make laws then now where they're able to go ahead and rig elections and do them things then they. And anytime where governments they not get for can talk to you for say vote for me, you don't need you again, then you don't need for work for you. Because the only reason we make government they work for the people. Now we then the afraid see after 5 years, then get for come back to the people. Now that time the people go ask them say, what you have been do for we? So now the reason now they will make government they work for people. And when they work for the people, now in the people in life they go before. Because democracy is set up so much so that it will be the government of the people, by the people and for the people. So now government way for come out of the people then when are the people by the people are the people and for people now then are for the people now for work for.
Okay.
Anything other than that is not democracy.
Okay. Before I go, I get a message for all two from somebody who is special. Well, I put the flower on, and the person say, "Wow, King Milan." He said, "These are my special." He said, "These are my two special people. God bless you for them." And he said, "God bless you too, King Milan, for your program." They always watch me program. Not another person. Egati Shaba and Wahid. Mama Violeta Luke Decker say la great tuna.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, man.
They watch.
Thank
They
you.
watch. He always they watch people. So una deliver a message to
God
them.
bless
Let's
you, man.
start
God
with
bless
you,
you, man.
Egati Shaba.
Well, she's a veteran anyway,
Oh,
I
yeah.
feel. And Madame, we always look up to.
Yeah.
We with the SLBS, and yeah, it inspires some of us.
All of us, including we all.
Yeah.
With me, did it.
Well, in voice alone, self, you will put your say this like pure, wait just so much.
Open to.
You know what I mean? So we're going to continue for bless and we hope that please long life and with us and also with the family as well. But
Yeah.
some of us we inspire from
Yeah, they're London right now, and they wish they watch right now because he not they done with me program there. Especially I put on all two. Say at the Ostona, she was so happy for that. So why? What you go say to her?
Yeah, one for telling me plenty thank you. I go join Egatin Shaba for in contribution in journalism, you service to the nation and you still continue. Musa you do like we say we pray let God give you long life, well body, let God make you reap the dividend of some of the seed there where you don't sow. God bless you and thank you for still believing we and still support we. Thank you so much now.
Now my teacher still like what on this program, may get for engage. She's my producer from afar.
Yes.
I'm a producer.
Nice.
Yeah, man, the talk, extend say, wow, I like what you did, this is da, which is good. And let me just welcome Madam Aminata Kamara, you're also part of the program right now. Wahid, with the end with economy. Scatter economy for we.
Give me that in a setup. Shabba, this guy that set up, and I tell you, economy in a country, nothing not the one without the economy. Okay, so when the economy is down, trust me, a country is down. Simple.
Shabba, what's now you passing word? What you go say? Final, Fogo.
Well, me, I talk for the award, and I talk on behalf of the Salone Music Awards. One for say thank you, one for congratulate again, one for congratulate the nominees there.
Yeah.
And for you, we not will win. One for you're still a winner. For you, will win. Congratulations. And we encourage all Saloneans within the United States for make una come patronize, for make una can support this events.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. This now we own event. These are Salone Grammys. If you see other nationalities, they come. They want to see what we can do because they believe in we. And we don't come last year and sit there, people are like a cool listing now. So we encourage Salonians and many parts of the United States, especially the DMV, or they encourage you for making them come tomorrow, for making them can get a good time with the entertainers. Make we support the entertainers and make them motivate them for making do more.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow at the Hampton Coffee Hotel.
Thank you so much, my brother, and it's a pleasure.
White, he said the economy, any country way for sweet and stable, the economy for strong and sweet. I agree.
Remember, say myself they perform na Hampton tomorrow.
Oh yes,
don't forget for cancel.
We're gonna be there. Thank you so much. God bless
not
you
to
all.
Economy, look, I enjoy. Not to economy, no more. Look, I enjoy tomorrow.
American easy. Thank you, and thanks to everybody watching as well. And this program will go for on YouTube too, and go there on YouTube and go for the share as well, so people let them watch see tomorrow. And me na King Milan, I will come again next Friday with somebody special. Till then, look at why in the economy. God bless.
And this economy. Stop! Man in the tower, but still love, then they end up for sour. But maintain up by God in power. Yo, electric did a long speech where they reach up the tower. If you not make it rain down like shower, for meet up the hour. I will. Picking where you born, Seth. If you answer, yes sir, or yes man, I'm alone. If us rent, school fee, lunch and chop money, no pass. How are you? Pan this economy, sour, sour. Don't touch me, don't know it. Pan this economy, sour, sour. Gospel according to the Toronto. Hey, yeah. Rise and just stay fly. All kind drugs with man then they die. They liquid beats on water side. We just the bail water and blind. Then they look we body eye. Why try other way? And then we go get the way. This don't come out spam play. Then when we put sweep and this for pay. We never perfect and with we vote we can get we say. And in our go take 2028 yeah. Here comes judgment day. And this economy, sour, sour. Don't judge me, don't know it. And this economy, sour, sour. Gospel according to the Toronto. Hey, yeah. Economy one and a quarter. This don't bring count, but could draw. Don't make boku man, don't withdraw. Uncover change from jeans to quadro. Respect man, they turn something raw. So crime, this don't come out span law. Baby say, knock it up, I mean no raw. Woyo, what away. And then we go get the way. This don't come out spam play. Then when we put sweep and this for pay. We never go fat and with we vote, we can get we say. And in our go take 2028, yeah. Here comes judgment day. Man, this economy, sour, sour. Don't touch me, not know it. Man, this economy, sour, sour. Gospel according to the Lord. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah.